Hey friends, welcome back to We Do It Outdoors. I'm out here at Salt Fork trying to find some more evidence of the Ohio Grassman. Got a bird that won't leave me alone, keeps following me around, yelling at me. But been out here for about a half hour, haven't seen much, just this bird. But we're gonna keep on going and see what we can find. So I've been walking about, I don't know, another 45 minutes or so, and I started hearing some knocking, and so I stopped, waited for a little bit, just found a stick. I'm going to see if I can do some tree knocks and get a response back. I'm going to go ahead and try that right now. Thought I heard something on that last knock I did. Sounds like something's responding. Try it again. Well, I was getting a response. It dried up, sat there and, I don't know, knocked for about another 5-10 minutes, and it stopped. So I started walking some more, been knocking here and there, and haven't heard anything back. So I'm going to keep on walking and see if there. Sounded like a little growl. Sound definitely travels throughout this park. So anyways, I'm going to keep walking and see if I can't find something. Okay, so sounded like I was hearing some howls back in there. This is one heck of a hill here. But it definitely sounded like it was coming from that direction. Right there. There is a whoop. Let's sit here for a minute. Well, I kept walking and didn't really hear anything else, so I'm gonna start heading back. Let me know down in the comments if you guys would like me to come out here at night again. I always seem to do pretty well at night. It's just, it's no fun coming out here at night by myself, but I'll do it. Just let me know in the comments. Oh, guess better luck next time, right?